Hello everyone, welcome to our channel AKB Machines. Friends, we represent Modio brand, Think Innovative. Under this brand, we have a big range of machineries for soft drink industry, for juice industry, for ice pops, for packaging industry, for batch coding industry. We supply our machines as well as flavors to all kind of industry, from soft drink, juices, dairy, confectionery, then bakery as well as hotel supply. So under the brand Modio, we have a big range of food and beverage solutions. So friends, right now over here you can see this is a mini factory for glass bottle soft drink. The soft drink which is packaged in glass bottle, you get this kind of small mini factory from us at a very affordable price, friends. So our business motto is to provide high quality machineries which gives you good amount of production, good quality and at a very reasonable pricing. And we supply our machines all across the world. We can supply this machine anywhere. We can supply in Southeast Asia, Thailand, Malaysia, Singapore, Cambodia, Vietnam, anywhere. In Middle East we can supply to you, Bahrain, Kuwait, UAE, Saudi, Oman, Yemen, anywhere we can supply to you. We can supply in European countries, we can supply in Africa, Tanzania, South Africa, Zambia, Angola, Congo, Sierra Leone, anywhere in Africa we can definitely supply to you. We can supply to you in USA, in South America, anywhere we can supply these machines to you, because these machines are small, compact and it can be easily shipped. So friends, we don't compromise with the quality of our machines. You can see over here, this is one small single head filling machine. This machine can work automatically as well as semi-automatically depending on how the labor works. And you don't need a technical person, no technical supervision is required. A layman, a simple person can efficiently sit in one place and he can do the work very easily. Just loading the bottle, the soda will be filled, the syrup will be dosed and as well as the crowning will be done. So soda will be filled as well as the crowning will be done. So friends, this machine does the job of both filling of strong soda as well as crowning. And this is our carbonation system, friends. Carbonation system is very important to get a proper industrial grade of soda. So for that kind of aerated drink, for that kind of carbonated drink, you need a proper mixing system which combines the CO2 gas as well as water, and it combines forcefully so that the combination lasts for a very long time, and exactly that is what we are looking for in our system, friends. So carbonation is very important, and we have a big range of carbonation systems. Friends, we have been in the industry for more than 25 years and we have very deep expertise in the carbonation system. So we can provide you the exact carbonation system as per your product requirement. So carbonation system also will be providing to you, we'll be providing you with the machine as well as different kind of filling tanks. We can provide you the filling tanks as well as the mixing tanks, the boiler, sugar filter press, all these machines also we can provide to you. So this is the basic setup, and if you want to make your product even better, if you want a better quality product, then we will suggest you to also get a water purification system, because we also make water purification system according to your requirement. If you want 250 liters per hour, 500 liters per hour, 1000 liters per hour, 2000 liters per hour, we can provide you the RO water purification system as well. So these machines you can easily get from us. You can also get the chilling plant. The chilling plant also helps in better carbonation. So we can provide you the chilling plant as well. So friends, to set this whole glass manufacturing unit, we can provide you the machines, we can provide you the flavors. We provide you exotic flavors, friends. All the running flavors which have the like of cola, Pepsi, Mirinda, orange flavor, blueberry flavor, lemon lemonade, then mint mojito flavor, then blue curacao, any kind of flavor. If you want the fruit flavors, mango, lychee, guava, pineapple, strawberry, muskmelon, mixed berries, mixed fruit, we can provide you the fruit flavors as well. So we have a big range of flavors, friends, and we can customize according to your need. So flavoring part also you will get from us. You will get bottles from us. If you want these kind of bottles, we can provide you these kind of bottles. If you want to do branding, if you want your own brand on it, we can help you with the brand printing as well as brand designing. We can help you with both. We can give you the crown also. We can give you the proper crown for your bottle. So you'll get everything from us under one roof, friends. The bottle as well as the crate. You can get these kind of crates from us under your brand name. If you want your brand name to be printed on your crates, we can provide you that also. So you get everything under one roof, friends. Alright. If you want to do batch coding on your bottle, if you want to write your pricing, your MRP, your expiry date, manufacturing date, you can get it done on your bottle. We can provide you the batch coding machine as well. So you can get everything from us under one roof, friends. So let us talk about the machine. This is our semi-automatic machine which works on motor gearbox system, and you don't need a compressor. Yes friends, no compressor is needed. Without a compressor this machine can work, and it's very easy. Any person can easily work. So friends, I'll just show you over here. So these are the bottles. These are the bottles which we have kept over here, 24 bottles. It's very simple. You just have to put this crown. This is the crown. So friends, this is the crown and this is the bottle. So all you need to do is just put the bottle over here. You just need to put the bottle. All you need to do, friends, is just, this is the crown. All you need to do is just put the crown over here. And because there is a magnet on the filling wall, the crown will be attached to the magnet. It will go little upwards, and then the bottle will be coming over here. And you can work manually as well as automatically. This machine works in both ways. If a person wants to work automatically, if he knows how to handle the machine, he can run the machine on auto mode. And if he doesn't know how to run the machine, initially he can work with the manual mode, friends. So that's how simple it is. The crowning will be done, the filling will be done, both the things will be done together in this very machine, friends. So along with these kind of bottles, friends, if you want to produce Bacardi shape bottle, Bacardi shape bottle, this is the kind of bottle which also you will be able to fill and do the crowning. Alright, so these bottles, friends, starting from 200 ml, 250 ml till 300 ml, we can provide you the bottles as well as the crowns. Alright, so this is the range of bottles, and you get a very good speed with this machine. You get a top speed of around 500 bottles per hour with this kind of machine. So the speed is also very satisfactory. The investment is very less, and the area required is also very less, and the electricity consumption is also very less. So in a very less budget, in a very less area, you get a good amount of production, and just few labors you can work very well. Alright friends, so now we are going to start the production, and we will show you how efficiently we can do the production of these bottles. Alright friends, so friends, now we are going to start with the operation of the machine. You can see over here, we have kept all the bottles over here on the crate, and now we will start with the filling. Already the syrup has been dosed. You can work in this carbonation system with premix as well as post-mix, friends. With this carbonation system, you can get premix as well as post-mix. So right now we are working on the post-mix system, but if you want premix, you can go for that as well. So let us begin with the filling of the glass bottle as well as crowning. Let us begin, friends. So it's very simple. The crown has been pushed, and now the bottle has been placed, and now the operator is working on auto mode. Automatically the bottle is being filled and the crowning is being done. You can see how perfectly the filling and crowning has been done. So friends, the carbonation system is working on auto mode. You don't need to do the setting of the carbonator again and again. It will automatically supply the strong soda in your bottle. The strong soda will mix with the syrup. The formulation for the syrup we shall provide you. The filling, the snifting, the crowning is happening. You can see it is very easily being done. Just loading and unloading of the bottle. That's it, friends. Alright friends, now you can see how easily the filling has been done friends of orange flavored soft drink. So similarly you can also fill Bacardi shaped bottles with the help of our whole mini glass bottling plant. Friends, just like these crowned glass bottle, we can also fill the Bacardi shaped bottles over here. So let us start the filling and the crowning of the Bacardi shaped bottle. You can see friends, the fizziness is amazing. You get a very good quality soda. Do contact on our WhatsApp number +91 8822 686868 friends. Thank you so much.